Welcome back to Smartino Fx, the home of smart trading strategies and real market insights for US traders. In today's video, I'm reviewing the best Forex brokers for US traders in 2025, ranked, regulated, and reviewed so you can trade with confidence. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get notified when I drop new trading tips and broker breakdowns. Now let's talk about why this video really matters. In the US, not every Forex broker is legal to use. That's why in 2025 it's more important than ever to pick a CFTC-regulated broker that fits your goals, whether you're trading with $100 or 10 grand. Let's count down my top 5 Forex brokers for US traders, based on regulation, spreads, platforms, customer support, and ease of use. Number 1, Forex.com, the best overall broker in the US. They're regulated by the CFTC and NFA. Minimum deposit is just $100, with leverage up to 50. 1 as per US limits. You get MetaTrader 4 and 5 plus their own advanced web trader. What makes Forex.com number 1? Tight spreads, strong US compliance, and an excellent mobile app. It's perfect for both beginners and pros looking for fast execution and security. Number 2, Oanda. Best for beginners and low deposits. Fully regulated with a minimum deposit of $0 and the same 50. 1 leverage. You can use MT4, TradingView, or Oanda's own web platform. Oanda stands out for transparent pricing, flexible lot sizes, and top-notch charting tools. If you're starting small or want total control over your trades, this is a solid pick. Number 3, IGUS, best for advanced traders. Regulated with a $250 minimum and leverage up to 50. 1. They offer their own proprietary web platform and MT4. With over 80 currency pairs, strong analytics, and institutional-grade spreads, IGUS is ideal for those who want more market depth and advanced charting. Number 4, TD Ameritrade, best for stock and Forex traders. Regulated by FINRA and the SEC with no minimum deposit. Leverage is 50, 1 for Forex, and you get the powerful thinkorswim platform on desktop and mobile. It's great if you want to manage stocks, options, ETFs, and Forex all in one place. Number 5. Interactive brokers, best for global access. CFTC and NFA regulated, $100 minimum with IBKR Lite, and 1 leverage. Their trader workstation platform gives you direct market access, ultra-low spreads, and high reliability. If you're serious about trading and want to expand beyond US markets, Interactive Brokers is hard to beat. Now here's how to choose the right broker in 2025. Always check for US regulation, CFTC and NFA only. Make sure the platform fits your style, whether that's MT4, a mobile app, or a web trader. Compare spreads and commission fees, look for educational tools and demo accounts, and don't forget about fast withdrawals and helpful customer support. Avoid offshore brokers offering high leverage. They're illegal for US residents and can put your funds at risk. So, final takeaways for US Forex traders in 2025. You might have fewer broker options, but the good news is they're safer, more transparent, and regulated. If this video helped you, hit like. Drop a comment. Which Forex broker do you use in the US? And subscribe to Smartino Fx for more US-based Forex tips, strategy guides, and broker reviews every week. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before trading.